Renting is a waste of money. You're paying someone else's mortgage. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko papasimplihin ang explanation, but renting is like buying a product or a service. Here are the levels of a product. Meron kang core, meron kang actual, meron kang augmented. Renting as a service or as a product, makukuha mo lahat nito. So, ang core ng renting is, what benefit does the product provide? The benefit is, may titirhan ka. Hindi ka mamamatay at mafrozen pag winter. Meron kang, kumbaga, safe space for yourself and your family. That's the core product of renting. The actual product is the physical product. Bubong, sahig, dingding. Kung furnish yung nakuha nyo, furniture. Ano yung augmented? Kung may gym na kasama, kung nag-rent ka ng house sa isang community, meron kayong mga clubhouse, etc. Renting is an exchange of the service and the money. So, pag binigay mo yung pera mo, yung nabanggit ko na levels ng product, yun yung nakukuha mo pag nagre-renta ka. Sa totoong buhay, wala ka nang pakialam sa kung saan mapupunta yung binigay mong pera. Dahil nakuha mo naman yung service na binibili mo. Parang pag nag-grocery ka lang, bumili ka ng bigas, malay mo ba kung saan napupunta yung $50 mo? Napupunta ba yan sa manufacturing, sa marketing, sa research and development? It doesn't matter. What matters most is nakuha mo yung bigas mo. And it's all the same about renting. Hindi ka naman nagvo-volunteer na, magrenta ko para bayaran ko yung mortgage mo. You're getting something out of the money you're paying as a rent. So, yun na yung pinakasimple kong explanation why renting is not a waste of money. Because, pag bumibili ka naman ng product or service na kailangan mo, as long as you get what you need in exchange of the money you gave up, wala na sa business mo kung anong mangyayari sa pera na binigay mo. What's within your business is what you're getting as a return of the money that you paid. Yun lang.